Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to allow people to share your Instagram story and their messages. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, you should have to open Instagram. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on these three lines in the upper right corner. Now tap on settings. Tap on privacy here. Scroll down a little bit. And here you can see story option. Tap on this. And here scroll down. And you can see allow sharing to messages. Let others share photos and videos from your story and a message. So enable it. Now other people will be able to share your Instagram story and your messages. So that's it. Hope you will like this video. Thanks. Goodbye.